Welcome to the monitor of Trade Wizard. Now, if you enter into our monitor, you will notice that there is a change in terms of its layout. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what are the changes, how can this latest layout benefit you in terms of your trading, just like how it benefit me. Now, the first thing that you notice is that there are few different widgets here. Like this is the market depth, this is your ticker profile, this is your chart, this is your scanner. Maybe by default, some of you enter, you look like this, something like this. There are 5 different widgets. First one is your watch list, second one is your market depth, third one ticker profile, here is your chart, and here is your scanner. So normally what I do is that for chart, of course I remain as my chart, and then for scanner, I will drag it down a bit so that I can have a clearer view of the chart. And when I want to select stock, let's say stocks under all-time high, what I will do is that I will do sorting first. Okay, I will sort the volume from the highest to the lowest. Only I decide whether I want to trade them or not. So besides selecting stock using our scanner, of course, under our scanner, there are different types of strategy, 8 different types of strategy, all-time high breakup, pullback bottoming gaps, breakup consolidation, and also bullish candlestick. What I normally do is that I will also select stock from my watch list. So how do I select stock from my watch list is here. So as you can see, I have different watch lists. And this one, weekly stock analysis, whereby every week I will analyze stock that I think have potential for the coming week. So what I will do is that I can also select them from here. So when you have your own watch list, you can include those stocks into your watch list and then you see whether you want to trade them or not. How to include stocks in your own watch list? A quick one is that you can click onto this edit watch list. Under here, you see tickers. You can select the tickers that you want. Let's say I include SSP8. I include INTA, so on and so forth. So what I do is that I update from initially 5 ticker, it became 7 tickers. So what you can do is that you can also add your own watch list and you can do setting using strategy. So you can filter them and see which are the stocks that fulfill the highest number of strategy. We normally only trade those that fulfill high number of strategy. For pro account user, you guys can include a maximum of 7 strategies, and we will also give you a default 7 strategy. From those 7 strategy, you see under your watch list which are the stocks that fulfill maybe 5 out of 7, 6 out of 7, 7 out of 7. Those that fulfill high number of strategy, it means that those stocks have higher potential or maybe higher momentum according to your own criteria. For those that fulfill least amount of strategy, let's say 1 out of 7, 2 out of 7, these stocks maybe currently their potential or their upwards momentum are lower. So let's say some of you have a lot of reminder and the reminder give you a lot of stocks. What you can do is that you can do sorting towards the stocks that your reminder gave you. Let's say my reminder, UOBKN, this reminder gave me 27 stocks. So out of these 27 stocks, how do I know which are the one that currently have higher potential? So I can do sorting by clicking onto this strategy. So I only look at those that fulfill higher amount of strategy, like maybe 10 out of 11, or this one also 10 out of 11, this also 10 out of 11, or this one 9 out of 11, this one 8 out of 11, 8 out of 11, so on and so forth. And normally I will avoid those like 0 out of 11. Okay, this one also 0 out of 11, 1 out of 11. Normally I will avoid those fulfill this amount of strategy and choose those that fulfill higher amount of strategy. Besides your watch list, coming down here is the market depth. Okay, market depth. So from here, you are able to do tape reading. This is normally used by those intraday traders when they want to look at which are the special level. So one of our easiest way look at the special level is to use our volume per count function. And then we have this day range, whereby this is the low of day, and this is the high of the day, and this is the VWAP price. So currently you notice at today's stock, the price is above the VWAP price. And here, trade details allows you to know that which price level is the one whereby transaction occur the most. Okay. For example, for this stock, you notice that most of the transaction occur around this place, 1.04, 1.05, and then here 1.07, 1.08. Because the volume, let's say on 1.04 is about 21%, and then 1.05 is about 16%. And when you add them up together, it's about 37%. So here is also, when you add them up together, it's 25%. Here to here, plus 12 plus 13. So from this level all the way to this level serves as its important support or resistance level, because most of the transaction occur there. And then coming down, you have your ticker profile, which is the stock info. Let's say, what is the volume today compared to the average 10 volume? What is the VWAP price? Some of like PE ratio, dividend yield, earning per share, ROE, so on and so forth. Normally what I do is that I will just remain for widget. So this one I delete. So normally what I put here is actually my ticker profile. By the way, you can click and play around this. Let's say you want to read the news of that stock, you can click onto news of that stock. You want to look at research report, if there's any that stock, you can click onto research. If you want to set alert for that stock, you can click onto alert. So normally what I will do is that I will only put ticker profile below here. And for this, I will put this trade and depth. By doing so, when I want to trade a stock, I can look at its market depth, if I want to do intraday trading, and some stock information. But of course, if you want to look at your watch list, then you can put your watch list on top. Okay, you can put a watch list on top. And we also have a new widget called feature watch list. Basically, it's team play for you to identify today which is the hottest team in the market. Like as you can see, there are lists of team plays. And today, you know that data center is the hottest team. So under data center, you notice that these are the stocks under data center, and then you can see whether you want to trade them or not. Okay, you can decide whether you want to trade them or not. So by doing so, besides having your own watch list here, you can also use our future watch list and to trade on different teams every single day. Let's say previously, when a war happened in the Middle East between Iran and Israel, gold price keep on soaring. So by that time, actually gold was ranked as the champion team for few consecutive days. And because of that, I was keep on trading gold stocks during that period. So every single day, market will have different team, okay, different team plays. And using our future watch list, you are able to identify based on today which is the champion team. From the champion team, you are able to select which are the stocks that have the best setup to trade. So by using this monitor, basically, this is how I do trading. I will use chart to do trading and also our in-house indicator. So for our next video, I will talk about our in-house indicator. How do I set them and how do I use them? Of course, I will use chart to trade, and then I will look for trading ideas using our scanner, all of our strategies under our scanner, like all-time high, breakout, pullback, select the best layout, do the sorting using volume, and then follow by my own watch list. Hey, if there's any, I will sort them using strategy to find the best high potential stocks, and also lastly, to look for stocks in our feature watch list. So with that, I hope that this will give you an idea on how I use monitor to do stock selection and for me to trade. So I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.